Pay homage to the Buddha by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Dear brothers and sisters in the Dhamma, today classification of matter. This is our chapter, the title of the today. Rupa Vibhago. Rupa Vibhago, the classification of matter. Now I want to check how did you memorize there are 28 type of materiality. They have the chart. There are 11 categories, no? There are 28 type of materiality. We can make the 11 categories. 4 type of unrefined, Nippan, the great essential, Mahabhuta, no? Mahabhuta, Pali, Patavi Dhatu, Apo Dhatu, Tejo Dhatu, Vayo Dhatu. Other all, except 4 Mahabhuta, other 24 we call Upadaya Rupa. Upadaya Rupa. Those Upadaya Rupa also we can make divide. We can make the group. The Chakku Pasad, Sota Pasad, Ghana Pasad, Jivha Pasad, Kaya Pasad. They are Pancha Pasada. One Sad, Gandha, Rasa, Pottab. It's a Gochara Rupa. Actually, Pottab is called the 3 essential, no? Mahabhuta element. Patavi, Tejo, Vayo is called tangible, Pottab Rupa. And Bhava Rupa, there are 2, Purisa Bhava Rupa and Itti Bhava Rupa. And heart base, Hade Rupa. And Jivitindriya, life faculty. And Aharaja Rupa. Akasa Dhatu, Kaya Vinyati, Vachi Vinyati. Lahuta, Muduta, Kammanyata. Upachaya, Santati, Jarata, Anichata. Okay, now I think everyone know the meaning of 28 type of Rupa materiality. Now those are Rupa, we can classify single fold, etc. According to the Pali, we call Sabbancha Panetang Rupang Ahetukan Sappachayang Sasavan Sankatan Lokyang Kamavacharam Anaramanam Appaha Tabba Meveti Eka Vidhampi Ajjatika Bahiradi Vasen Bahuda Bedang Gachati. Now all the matter is single fold, is so far as it is all rootless, ahetuka, with conditions, sappachayam, subject to pains, sasavam, conditioned, sankatam, mundane, lokyam, pertaining kamavacharan, to the pertaining to the sense sphere, objectless, anarammana, appaha tabban, not to be abandoned. However, when conceived as internal and external, etc., matter become manifold. There are many ways. But now the single fold, they are giving the few words. All the rupa we call ahetukam, sappattyam, sasavam, sankatam, lokyam, kamavacharam, anarammanam, appahatabba. This is similar words for the rupa. Now all this matter is single fault. They are given the ahetuka, rootless. What's the meaning ahetuka? Does not associate with either wholesome, unwholesome, or indeterminate roots. Association with roots is restricted to only mental phenomena. Actually, we know about the roots, no? Lobha, dosa, moha, alobha, dosa, moha. Those are roots always associating with the mental phenomena, not the rupa. Because of that, all the rupa we can call ahetuka, rootless. With conditions, sappatchaya, arise dependent on the four causes. Kamma, kamma is a kamma, consciousness, chitta, temperature, utu, nutriment, ahara. Okay, this is the meaning of, because all the rupa arise with the condition. Without conditions cannot arise. Always depending with the conditions. This is the meaning sappatchaya. Same way, subject to taint. Now we know the taint, sasava, no? Asava. Asava we call taint. All other matter subject to taint can be made an object of the four taint. Kamasava, sensual desire. Bhavasava, attachment of existence. Ditthasava, wrong view. Avidjasava, ignorance. You see, those are the matter can be object for the ahasava. Ahasava is a taint. Now the sensual desire and attachment to existence, wrong view, ignorance. Those are taint appearing because of the matter. So the matter can be object for the sasava. This is the two taint. Conditioned, sankata. Matter is always conditioned. They are conditioned by the four causes: kamma, consciousness, temperature, nutriment. Matter cannot be unconditioned. You see now, because all the rupa, nama, everything except nibbana, all we can call sankata, conditions. Okay, because the Buddha mentioned the sankata, asankata. There are two things. Asankatan, nibbana. Asankata is called nibbana. Unconditions is called nibbana. But except nibbana, all are things called conditions. Because we can see arising and perishing, and upada, titi, bhanga. Arising moment, standing moment, and perishing moment. Three characteristics we can see in the condition thing. Because of that, the rupa matter also including sankata, conditions. But the lokiya is called mundane. There is no matter that transcends the world of the five clinging aggregates. Matter cannot be super mundane, lokuttara, always mundane, lokiya only. Now, when we are talking about the dukkha satya, the truth of suffering, all the mundane thing is called suffering. The rupa also including mundane, not the super mundane. About the kama vachara, pertaining to the sense sphere, kama vachara. This is all the rupa including kama, all matter is of the sense sphere. Although matter exists in the fine material plane, it pertaining by its nature to the sense sphere because it is the object of sensual craving. Matter can only be the object of sense sphere consciousness, kamavachara chitta. Okay, now we know some matter we can see in the fine material world, no? In the Brahma world, eye and ear especially. But those are eye and ear cannot be object for the fine material consciousness. But ear and the nose, all are the matter object for the sensual sphere, the kamavachara world. Because of that, all the matter is called kamavachara. Next one, anarammana, objectless. Unlike mental phenomena, matter cannot know an object. Mentality can both cognize an object or be an object for other materiality, but matter can only be object. It cannot know another object. This is the meaning, understand, no? Because the chitta can be object to chitta, but rupa cannot be object to rupa. But rupa can be object to nama, but rupa cannot be object to rupa. Because of that, we call anarammana, objectless. Next one, appaha tabba, not to be abundant. Unlike the defilement, matter cannot be abandoned by the four superabundant paths, because the Sotapatti Magga knowledge, Sakadaga Magga knowledge, Anaga Magga knowledge, Arhata Magga knowledge, by the four Magga knowledge can eradicate the defilements only, not the matter. That's why we can abandon the defilement from our life, but we cannot abandon the rupa. That's why called appaha tabba. Now, do you remember there are similar words, no? How many similar words for the rupa? Ahetuka, sappachaya, sasava, sankata, lokiya, kamavachara, anarammana, appaha tabba. There are 8. There are 8 words for the rupa, 28 rupas. There are similar words. Now this is single fold of the rupa. Now this way you can understand. Okay. Now want to explain according to that Abhidhammata Sangha, katang, how means the because now the single fold we already explained. Now there are 2-way, 3-way, etc. But another more explanation about the rupa. Katang pasada sankatang panchavidampi ajjatika rupan nama itaram bahira rupan. Now Pali, no? The Pali we call pasada sankatang panchavidampi ajjatika rupang nama. There are 5 kind of sensitive material phenomena are internal. Itarang bahiran nama. The rest are external. I see. There are 5 sensitive material phenomena is called internal, and the rest are external. The 28 type of rupa, we can make the 2 group, internal and external, ajjatika and bahira. How about ajjatika, internal, external? In the book, in the notes mentioned, internal here applicable only to the 5 type of sensitive materiality, which serve as the door for the rupa. Although other types of rupa occur within the physical body, only these 5 sensitive factors are referred to as internal. These 5 sensitivity rupas are called internal because now it is there are 5 especially the 5 pasada only we call internal. They are very useful and beneficial to the individual. Without eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and body, a person would be like a lump of useless wood and cannot function properly as a human being. Now you see, no? Without eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, we cannot do anything, no? Cannot be the human body. They function as the respective door for the arising of sense consciousness, now eye consciousness, ear consciousness, etc., which are reckoned as self. Now you see, expect these 5 sensitivities. All the rest of rupa are external. Now you see the among the 5, among 28, 5 sensitivities called the adjatic internal. Rest are external. Now understand, no? Internal, external explanation. Again, explaining pasada hadaya sankhatam chabbidampi vattu rupan nama itarang avattu rupan. The 6 kind comprising the sensitive organs and the heart are material phenomena that are bases. The rest are not bases. You see, vattu and avattu. Because the 6 kind of rupa we call bases, other all rupa are not bases. Now, but vattu, the base, the 6 bases are eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, and heart base. Eye consciousness arising in the eye base. Same way, ear consciousness arising in the ear base. Nose consciousness arising in the nose base. Tongue consciousness arising in the tongue base. Body consciousness arising in the body base. Other all are mind, element consciousness, and mind consciousness arising in the heart base. The remaining 22 rupas are not base materiality, avattu rupa. I understand, no? There are 6 vattu rupa, other 22 we call avattu rupa. Next one, pasada vinyatti sankhatam satta vidampi dwara rupannama itarang adwara rupa. Dwara, door rupa, door material. The 5 sensitivity rupa and doors of cognition, that is media for consciousness and mental factors to encounter their object. Through these sensitivities acting as sense door, respective sense consciousness arises. For example, through the eye door, eye consciousness arises. Bodily and verbal intimation are door of action. That is channels for bodily and verbal deeds. Through bodily movement and speech, we commit karma. Now you see, they are by the door, no? They are actually we know about the 6 door, no? What are the 6 door? Eye door, ear door, nose door, tongue door, full door, mind door. There are 6 door. But according to the rupa, also we can make the door according to but chitta process, there are 6 door, no? Eye door, chitta process. Ear door, chitta process. Nose door, Tando, Bodido, and Mindo. But according to Rupa, Ido is okay. Ido is eye base. Ear do, ear base. Nose do, nose base. Tando, tongue base. Body do, body base. Okay. Now they say the Dwara Sattavidam, 5 pasada. Chakkusota Gana Jiva Kaya 5 pasada, and Kaya Vinyati Vachi Vinyat. Bodily intimation and verbal intimation. Also, we call Dofu action, Kaya Dwara and Vachi Dwara. Chakku Dwara, Sota Dwara, Gahana Dwara, Jiva Dwara, Kaya Dwara, and bodily initial, the Vachi Vag Dwara. Yeah, 7 Rupa. 7 Rupa we call Dwara. Dwara Rupa. What are the 7? Again, Chakku, Sota, Gahana, Jiva, Kaya, and Kaya Vinyati, Vachi Vinyati. Other rest all are not Dwara Rupa. Not Dwara Rupa. Okay, not Dwara Rupa. Next group. Pasada Bhava Jevita Sankhatang Attavidampi Indriya Rupannama Itarang Anindriya Rupam. Yeah, now there are 8 type of faculty Rupa. Other 20 is called unfaculty Rupa. There are the 8 kind of comprising the sensitive organs, 6 states of life are material phenomena that are faculties. The rest are not faculties. Example, Chakku Indriya, Chakku Pasad. Eye faculty is called Chakku Pasad, eye sensitive. Sota Indriya, Sota Pasad. Ghanindriya, Ghana Pasad. Jivhendriya, Jivha Pasad. Kaya Indriya, Kaya Pasad. Ittindriya, Itti Bhava Rupa. Purusindriya, Purusa Bhava Rupa. Jivit Indriya, Jivit life faculty. There are 8. Those are 8 we call Indriya Rupa. That's why faculties, the sensitivities are called faculties because they exercise a controlling power in their respective spheres. Yeah. Each of these control the coexistence Rupa in exercising its specific functions, such as seeing, hearing, etc. Without eye sensitivity, one cannot see. If eye sensitivity is weak, eye consciousness is not good. If it is good, eye consciousness is good. So, eye sensitivity has controlling power over eye consciousness, and it is seen capability similarly for the other sensitivities. The 6 faculty control the main manifestation of masculine and feminine features and traits. The life faculty control the coexistent type of matter as a pilot controls a ship. The life faculty is compared to water in the lotus stem. When there is water in the lotus stem, it keeps the lotus fresh. The life faculty controls the other co-arising rupas and maintaining them until they perishes. perish. As there are 51 sub-mind moments from 17 mind moment with their 3 sub-mind moments of arising, standing, and perishing for each mind moment. In the lifespan of most rupa, the life faculty maintain the other rupas in the same kalapa as well as itself to be fresh and alive until the 15th sub-mind moment. Now you see because the rupas, the age, there are 17 mind moment, we go 51 sub-mind moment. Now we can see about the life faculty. The life faculty can control all the kalapa, especially kamma born kalapa. Your life faculty is a kamma born rupa. This is the meaning. But anyway, we can understand about the age of the rupa. How we understand. About the next one, explaining pasada visaya sankhatang dwadasa vidhampi olarika rupam santike rupam sappatika rupancha itarang sukumang rupam dures rupam appatika rupam cha. Now see the 12 kinds comprising the 5 sensitive organ and 7 sense object are gross, proximate, and impinged material phenomena. The rest are subtle, distant, and non-impinging. Now we have to understand what is the difference between Olarika sukuma, gross and subtle. Dura santika, proximate and distant. And subpatica and appatica, impinge and non-impingement. Yeah. Now in the notes mentioned, the Olarika is gross, santika is proximate, subpatica means and impinge. These 3 terms are used here in a technical sense applicable to the rupa that are instrumental in the arising of sense consciousness and imply nothing about the relative size or nearness of the object. Now, okay, you understand, no? These phenomena are 12-fold. The 5 sensitive organ and the 7 object data. The tangible base is there 3-fold because it consists of 3 great essentials. Patavi, Tejo, Vayu. These 3 bhuta is called the tangible. The sensitivities and their respective sense object are directly responsible for the arising of sense consciousness because they are obvious to the sense cognitions and easy to be known. They are called gross and proximate near the sense object impinge on the respective sensitivity for sense consciousness to arise. Hence, they are impingement rupa. Called the impingement subpatica without no always have to impinge the object, impinge the base. This is the meaning of those rupa which do not directly contribute to the arising of sense consciousness are called subtle, distant, and non-impinged. Again, regardless of this size and distance. And now you see what is the difference between gross and subtle. Same way, proximate, the santik and distant, duri. And gochara, separate is impingement and non-impingement. We have to understand, we have to count those things, because this classification of the matter very important for us to the practice Dhamma. Next one, Kammajang upadinna rupang itarang anupadinna rupang. This is very important. Material phenomena born of kamma clung to the other are not clung to. What is the meaning? Clung to means upadin, the cling, the past tense of the clinging, no? Cling. Past tense of the cling is called clung to upadin. Upamini, approached, refer to kamma, which is associate, craving, and wrong view. Adinna, taken, climbed as a result, claim as a result. Upadinna, claimed by kamma as its result, kamma born rupa. The 18 kind of matter born of kamma are known as clung to because they have been acquired as the fruits of kamma, motivated by craving and wrong view. Matter produced by causes other than kamma is known as not clung to. Unlike the other pair of terms of classification, the pair clung to and not clung to, upadin and anupadin, is not mutually exclusive. For 9 kind of rupa born of kamma can only originated from other causes. Please see the chart 2. There are 2 maintained for the word upadin and anupadin. Now you see what is the meaning upadin, what is the anupadin. Upadin is a kamma born kalapa, kammaja rupa. Anupadin is without kamma, the chitta, utu, ahara, 3 kind of rupa. This is a upadin, anupadin, different between. Abhidhamma, upadin clung to kamma born kalapa. Anupadin not clung to not kamma born kalapa. Other rest of Vinaya animate of organize, inanimate or inorganic. Animate and organic. Animate or organic. Inanimate or inorganic. What is the difference between upadin and anupadin? Upadin is kamma born kalapa. Anupadin is not kamma born kalapa. Upadin is animate or organic. Anupadin is called inanimate or inorganic. This is a way to understand. Note, in the Dhammasangani book, Upachaya and Santati, production and Santati are also included as Upadin Rupas, giving a total of 20 types. This difference will be explained under the section on origination of Rupa. Now you see, because there are 2 meanings of the Upadina, kamma born kalapa. According to the Abhidhammatta Sangha, one of the small book, that book mentioned there are 18 types of kamma born kalapa. But the Dhammasangha in the textbook mentioned there are 18, but including Kammaja and Kammaja Rupa. This is a meaning. Okay. There are two kind of Kammaja Rupa, Upachaya and Santati. There are 28 plus Upachaya Santati 2 become 20. This is the explanation of Dhamma Sangani. There are 20 Rupa of the 20 rupas ko common bone kalapa. Other all rupa we can say not the common bone kalapa. Okay. Now this is a meaning. And the another explanation. Rupayatana sanidasana rupam itarang anidasana rupa. The visible form base is visible. The rest are non-visible. Sanidasana and anidasana. Among the 28 rupas, only one, the visible form, can be seen by the eye. The other rupas cannot be seen by the eye, only the mind may be able to see them. Now this is a Sanidasana Rupa and Anidasana Rupa, how they counted. But the next one, Chakkadi Dvayam Apatta Vasena Gahanaditayam Sampatta Vasena Hoti. Panchavidampi Gochara Gahika Rupan Nama. Eye and ear as not reaching their object, not nose, tongue, and body as reaching their object as 5 kind of material phenomena that take object. The objects are material phenomena that do not take object. Now you see about the Gochara Gahika object. No? The first 2 is okay. First 3 also okay. Now this is the meaning. Now material phenomena that take object, Gochara Gahika Rupa, according to Abhidhamma, the eye and ear are regarded as sense organs that do not reach or touch asampatta, their respective objects. For the eye and ear to serve as a base for consciousness, its object must be non-contiguous, not touching. Okay, not touching. In contrast, the other 3 sense organs directly touch sampatta, their object, sensitivity, eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, object, visible form, sound, smell, taste, tangible, touches, asampa yutta and sampa yutta. But the eye and ear is asampa yutta, nose, tongue, body is sampa yutta. This is the meaning. Okay. The Pali expression Gochara Gahika is used figuratively to indicate that the 5 sense organs serve as the basis for the consciousness that arise with their support. Gochara Gahika. But the sense organs, being matter, cannot literally apprehend object. Rather, it is the sense consciousness based on them that actually cognize the object. For example, the eye sensitivity does not take the object directly, but it is the base for eye consciousness to arise and take the object of visible form. Now you see quite explain about this thing. about the Gocharakahika and Agocharakahika. Because but the 8th rupa is called Gocharakahika. Other all also we call Gocharakahika, become object for the object, become object. Next group explain. Vanno Gandho Raso Oja Bhota Chatukka Cheti Attavidampi Avinibhoga Rupa Itaran Vinibhoga Rupa. This is so important. Color, odor, taste, nutritional, essence, essence, and the 4 essential are the 8 kind of material phenomena that are inseparable. The rest are separable. Now, how we understand? But there are 8 rupa, no? Patavi, Apo, Tejo, Vayo, Vanna, Gandha, Rasa, Oja. There are 8 type of group rupa is inseparable. Cannot become separable also. Those are 8 rupa. How we understand material phenomena that are inseparable. Avinibhoga, the 4 great essentials and 4 derivatives, color, smell, taste, and nutritive essence are known as inseparable matter. They are always bound together and are the present in all material objects from the simplest to the most complex. The other type of rupas may be present or not and are thus regarded as separable. The material group Kalapa, they consist solely of these 8 elements to know as the pure octet or group and with nutritive essence as 8. This is a meaning because there are first 8 rupa we cannot divide, but other rupa also we can divide. We can feel. We can divide. Okay. Now the last gatha. Ichevang atta visati vidam picha vichakkana ajjatikadi bhedena vibhajanti yataraham. Thus the wise analyze is 15 with the 28 kind of matter with respect to such divisions as the internal and or fourth, so forth. Herein that is to be classification of matter. Now I think everyone they remember that about the rupa, no? How we divide the rupa according to the Abhidhamma, according to the Abhidhamma, the rupa parts. We already divide about the ahetuka, rootless consciousness. No. After that, we make the group Ajjatik and Bahir, internal and external. After that, we Vattu, the base and unbase. Next one, Dwara, the do rupa and non-do rupa. Same way, after Dwara rupa, there are Indriya rupa, no? Faculty and non-faculty rupa. Next one, Olarika, there are 12. Same way, Santika rupa 12, Sappadika rupa 12. But other all 16. Rupa we call subtle and Dura, Appatika. And same way, Kama born Kalapa is Upadina. Other all, Chitta born Kalapa, Utuja born Kalapa, Aharaja born Kalapa, all we call Anupadina. About the Rupa item is only Sanidasana. You can see only color. But Chakkadidvayam Appattam Vasena. Sorry, the the color object is Sanidasana. The color object, the color object, the color is they can see by eye. No, this is the object, but other all are we cannot see by eye. That's why we call Anidasana Rupa. Same way, Chakkadidvayam the Appatta and Sampatta. When we are going to see the something, but the color we can see by eye, but the materiality not come to the color. Same when we are listening sound, the sound can come, but they cannot bring the the Kama bone kalapano, the Sanidas, the color object, the window object, the material cannot not come into the eye, but the color impinges the eye base. The material is still in the same place. Same way, the sound also, but the sound, the wind impinges to the ear base, but the sound material not come. But anyway, this is Sampatta, Appatta. Appatta is we call the not coming. Sampatta is I can see again the Sampatta and the Appatta. Yeah, they say the Sampatta. Directly touch the Sampatta. Directly touch the Sampatta. Not the directly touch Appatta. This is in the chart, no? Eye is a visible form, the ear, the sound form. There are Sampatta in the notes, the page number 8.
Sorry,
page number 8.
Please display the chart. This one.
Yeah.
Can you?
Yeah, they have the big chart. Yeah.
Can we see this chart? Is it appropriate?
This chart also okay. Yeah, this is a chart.
Yeah, okay.
This chart also we can see this is the essential. Also they call the Bhota, and the next one the Upadaya Rupa, there are 24. Next one the internal, there are 5. External, there are 23. Base, there are 6. Non-base, there are 22. Do, there are 7. Non-do, there are 21. Same way, there are faculty, there are 8. Non-faculty, there are 20. Gross, near, impinge, there are 12. Subtle, far, non-impinge, there are 16. Kama bone kalapa, clung to, there are 18, but they become 20, called the Abhidhamma Sangani book, become 20, including Upachaya and Santati, 25, 26 Rupa, production and continuity. And the same way, the Anupadin, there are 19. But if we take the 20 Kama bone, there are other none. Yeah. Same way, visible, there are 1. Non-visible, there are 27. Taking object, there are 5. Non-object, there are 23. Inseparable, there are 8. Separable, there are 20. Now, this is a meaning. Now, I think the page number 8. Yeah. Yeah, but anyway, the last, the Gatha, they may explaining Icheva Ichevang atta visati vidham picha vichakkana ajjatikadi bhedena vibhajanti ataraham. Thus the wise analyze in a 15 way fitting way the 28 kind of matter with respect to such divisions as the internal and so forth. Herein, this is the classification of matter. Now, actually, today we study the how we a classification of the matter, how we classify the rupa, the make the group Mahabhuta Upadaya, Ajjatika Bahira, Vattu Avattu, Dwara Adwara, Indriya Anindriya, Olarika Sukuma, Dura Santika, Dura Santika, Sappatika Appatika, Upadinna Anupadinna, Sanidasana Anidasana, Gocharaggahika Agocharaggahika, Vinibhoga Avinibhoga. Now, in the chart mentioned, but according to this chart, you also have to understand the chart 2A, classification of rupa according to the Abhidhammatta Sangaha. There are 28 material phenomena, classification, but there are 28 rupa they have classification, how they divide. The Dhammasangane production and continuity are also included under Upadinna Rupa to give 20 types. Yeah, Upadinna, Kamma, Bon, Kalapa. Okay, but I think those are things also you have to memorize, no? About how the 28 Rupa, how we make the group, how they classify. This one also very important to us to know the clearly about the rupa. Practically, if someone want to know the practical about the rupa, then we need to know the 28 rupa this way. Without knowing this way, we cannot practice, because especially the dosa, all rupa must be the object for the vipassana, the meditative, vipassana meditators. Without knowing the rupa aggregates, we cannot practice anicca, dukkha, and anatta. But if you know clearly about the meta rupa aggregates, then you can practice anicca, dukkha, anatta very clearly. This is the meaning. Okay, anyway, I think if you have anything to ask from me, is this, let me know. Any question, please. Need to memorize all, very quite deep. Yeah.
Pali, Bhante? Memorize Pali?
It's better. because if you know the Pali, it's very easy to understand.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. If someone can memorize the Pali words, it's nice.
Yes. Okay.
This is Buddha's word.
Yes. We should try. Yes. Bhante, just now you were mentioned that this classification, there is a single fold, single fold and manifold.
Yes, manifold.
Did I hear wrongly that Bhante said there are only, okay. I think I understand. Meaning, single fold and manifold. Manifold can be a few classification. Is that correct?
Yes. Because actually, the Abhidhamma, that book mentioned on briefly. The Dhammasangani book mentioned the single fold, the two-way, 3-way, 4-way, 5-way, 6-way, many way.
But all under manifold.
Yeah, all under manifold.
Okay. So Bhante has covered all, correct?
No, not cover all.
Okay.
Oh, I just follow the book.
Okay. So, but these are the important ones, Bhante, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanas paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu sadhu. सुखी होतु निब्बान पच्चयो होतु। साधु।